What are you? You're sugar? Are you sugar? Can you do chicken butt? Do chicken head. Chicken head. Oh, I got chicken head. Where's the chicken head? What? Say, I'm a cockatoo, what are you? I'm a cockatoo, what are you? Yeah? Say, I'm a cockatoo, what are you? You know what, that's maybe what he's saying when we say kick your butt. He's trying to say chicken butt.
Chicken butt?
Chicken butt? Woo! A chicken butt.
Gracie, come on.
You got more of a chicken butt than you do a chicken head. You look more like a chicken butt. Well, you do. Yeah, you do. What? You're a chicken butt. Or you're gonna kick my butt.